All right, this is Allerease Zippered Mattress Protector, maximum allergy and bed bug protection. I bought this right here to keep the mattress fairly clean. As you can see right here, I have a brand new mattress and I want to keep it clean, but I bought this to keep it clean, but it's also going to protect from allergies and bed bugs. Okay, so right here it says waterproof allergen bearer, bed bug barrier, moisture wicking, and comfortable, soft, and quiet. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. If you look right on here, it gives you a little bit of a touch and feel of the area right here, and it shows that it is very nice, cotton soft. All right, so right here I have, this is for a queen. It's for a queen. For this particular one right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and just open it up right here on the side, and I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out. Here's some instructions right here. You can read this bathroom toilet later, but all right, I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out. It's nice. Feels like there's this protection right there. I'm gonna roll it out and then I'm gonna put it onto the bed and give that to it afterwards. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and zip it up around the bed. All right, let me go ahead and do that. So I put it on, it fits nicely, very secure on there. Right there, there's no hanging of any sort whatsoever, so it fits nicely. Feels comfortable when I get on it. All right, so that's the mattress cover. Hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.